Ever wondered how TikTok and Instagram Reels store billions of videos and then serves them instantly when you swipe? And did you know that this reveals a lot about how their algorithms work? Let's talk about content delivery networks for today. ये algorithm के लिए बहुत बड़ा video बनाना पड़ेगा. Now, if you didn't already know, content delivery networks are a web of servers that work together to deliver media files for live streams and broadcasting like videos or images. Your OnlyFans, for example. You should not say that, no? Anyway, and there are four main great engineering techniques by which it does that. Starting with number one, object storage. Now, this is the operating system of the video file, so to say. Now, obviously, these videos are not stored in a system which is running in Windows or Ubuntu for that matter. To understand how this is different from your laptop storage, you need to first understand the regular file storage system. For example, there's a folder on your desktop, you open it. In the backend, your OS is going from your main drive, then to user folder, then to your desktop folder, checking if you have permission to open the file and then opening it. In real world, this is kind of inefficient. Object storage is completely different file system where all files are stored without directories or even permissions. मतलब कोई folder subfolders ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Everything is just dumped into one big container. Then all files are duplicated and multiple versions are spread across the drive. इससे fetching larger video files becomes kind of easy. But these files still need to travel to your phone, and that would still take a lot of time. Which brings us to our next point, compression. So the next step. Now there is one version of compression which is creating different resolution files of the same video. We are not talking about that compression. What we're talking about is compression transfer. Matlab, even before the video is transferred from the server cloud to your phone, it is compressed and sent to your phone and then decompressed back. Matlab, अगर कोई file 2 GB की है, you can't really realistically transfer 2 GB of bandwidth. So उसको छोटा बना देते हैं 1.5 GB, 1 GB, whatever. Since आपका phone का CPU कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा है, it decompresses that video file back. So not only do you save time during data transfer, but also use lesser data. Big brain move. Next up comes caching. Finally, let's uncover some secrets about the algorithm. Have you ever come across that one Russian reel? Did you ever think why you don't get these reels more often? The answer is edge caching, which means you upload a video on Reels, it only travels to the nearest data center of your location, which means if you're in Hyderabad, then your video is uploaded in the Hyderabad data center. But say for example, you send it to your 10 friends who live in Australia, where it's 3 AM in the night, not a lot of Australians are uploading videos at that time, your video actually gets cached in the Australian server. And just like that, by just having the right timing and location, we can make a video go viral. Basically, the more people watch a video, the more duplicates are created on different servers in different locations, which kind of creates a self-enforcing loop. And after a point, even if your video is not performing, it's still shown to people as it has been cached a lot and can be accessed the fastest. And finally, we come to preloading. After all this, it's still impossible to load a video every time you swipe. So the algorithm predicts what you want to watch, preloads the next 5-10 videos in batches, at least the starting few seconds of those videos. And that's how you build the fastest file access system with zero frustration, endless scrolling, and total brain rot. Now, what if I told you that you can use all these technologies to actually improve your own workflow, especially if you have a video editing team? So, plug in karna hai kise. Now, this 528 terabyte NAS server sitting behind me does everything that I just mentioned at a much smaller scale, obviously. It's not made for TikTok though. It's actually for one of India's largest post-production companies. And they're building this so that they can manage projects, video files, assets across hundreds of editors, colorists, and VFX artists. It's configured in RAID 6, which actually means it's double disk fault tolerance. Do disk fail ho sakti. Has a 100 GB network interface, another RAID 1 at OS level, NVMe caching for frequently used assets, and 2 hot swappable bays at standby. Now, I don't know if you ever worked in video production environment, but having a good asset management system totally helps. For example, there are a lot of times where older projects and assets can simply be recycled, and this is only possible if they are saved and organized properly. In the long run, it massively saves man hours and in effect, the cost of your project. So, if you're a video production company or even work at one and you're looking to improve your hardware infrastructure, visit our website or one of our stores across the country. Until next time,